The world of biopharmaceutical innovation is a high-stakes endeavor, a relentless pursuit of breakthroughs against complex and often devastating diseases. For decades, Biogen has stood prominently in this arena, a name synonymous with tackling the intricate challenges of the human brain. Their identity is deeply intertwined with neuroscience, pushing the boundaries of what's possible for neurological conditions. However, pioneering therapies for the brain presents a unique and formidable set of obstacles. Developing new molecules in neuroscience is notoriously difficult. Proving that a potential treatment is safe and effective in this intricate system, an expensive, lengthy, and high-risk undertaking. A significant number of promising candidates fail in early clinical stages. It's a landscape defined by both the potential for immense reward and the reality of considerable uncertainty. Recognizing the inherent volatility and cost associated with cutting-edge neuroscience research, Biogen is strategically evolving its R&D engine. While remaining steadfastly committed to addressing neurological disorders, the company is actively and deliberately strengthening its presence in the field of immunology. This isn't a departure from their core mission, but rather a calculated strategic pivot aimed at enhancing the overall health and productivity of their pipeline. Why immunology? The rationale is rooted in risk management and strategic synergy. Across the industry, data suggests that drug development within immunology, while challenging in its own right, often carries a comparatively lower risk profile in those critical early proof of concept phases compared to the complexities of the central nervous system. Immunology can offer more defined biological targets and potentially more predictable pathways to establishing initial clinical efficacy. Furthermore, this expansion into immunology isn't into entirely unfamiliar territory for Biogen. The company boasts a rich and successful history in treating multiple sclerosis, a disease that sits squarely at the fascinating intersection of neurology and immunology, often referred to as neuroimmunology. This long-standing expertise provides a natural bridge and a solid foundation from which to broaden their efforts in the wider immunological landscape. This strategic rebalancing is fundamentally about de-risking the engine of innovation. By diversifying its therapeutic focus and leveraging adjacent areas of strength like immunology, Biogen aims to create a more resilient and balanced pipeline. It's a pragmatic approach to navigating the high-stakes world of drug discovery, blending the ambitious pursuit of neuroscience breakthroughs with the potential for more stable and predictable progress in immunology. Ultimately, this strategic maneuver is designed to increase the overall probability of successfully bringing new and impactful therapies to patients across a wider spectrum of diseases. It's a strategic evolution for a more robust future.